Namaste. Let's begin our practice with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Adding on, inhale, open your arms wide, lifting through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving at your own pace, stretching through your arms, chest, shoulders, and spine. Release and return to center. Transitioning into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, improving circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach opposite arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Place your fingertips to your shoulders, adding a twist. Inhale at center, re-lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this twist to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, working through your own range of motion. Release and return to center, exploring a seated side bend variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head, with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding on, extend through your arms, reaching one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale to upright, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Adding a twist, inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left arm forward and your right arm back. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left. With each inhale, arms reach overhead, re-lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently twist, moving from your waist, maintaining your hips facing forward, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, round, drawing your knee in closer. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Pausing and upright, re-lengthen your spine. Continue here, hugging your right knee in towards your chest, or for more of a challenge, release your clasp and open your arms wide as you continue to lift through your right leg, optional to extend your right leg to hover, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center. Repeating this sequence on the opposite side, draw your left knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your knee in towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving at your own pace. Pausing and upright, continue drawing your left knee in towards your chest, lengthening your spine. And for more of a challenge, release your clasp, opening your arms wide, optional to extend your left leg to hover, feeling your core strong. Release and return to center. Moving into another lateral stretch variation. Interlace your fingers and reach your arms overhead. Inhale at the top, re-lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lightly lifting through your lower belly, stretching and lengthening through your side body. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, releasing tension through your abdomen, rib cage, and spine, creating more space and ease through your upper body. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.